Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. The bracket on the armrest should face the back of the chair. With the included Allen key, attach the seat cushion to the right armrest. Repeat this process to attach the second arm. Align the rods on the backrest with the holes on the armrest. Turn the chair on its side and attach the backrest with the included Allen key and screws. Now firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.